Hello guys. Yeah, hello everyone. Good evening everyone. How are you guys? Just let me know. How are you? Are you fine guys? Yes, join. Yeah. Hi Shubham. Hello. Yeah guys, is it clear? So good evening everyone. Hi Shubham. Hello Himanshu. Hi Anamika. Hello. Good evening. Good evening Saransh. Hi Aman. Oh, sorry. Okay, okay. Good late evening. Okay. Okay, so have you shared the link? Either I have to share the link. Okay. Okay, so let everyone join then just we will start. How are you guys? Have you completed your assignments? And how it's going on? Okay, so it's day Shevan and the session will be to something a little bit shorter than other days. Okay, because due to some health issue, I think. Okay, so we will just shorter it out. Okay, 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 okay. That's good, Sarans. Okay, this is left. Okay. I think we will just take 20 or like we will just take about 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, because due to some health issue, I'm not well. Okay, so we will just sort it out. Okay, okay. So everyone is there. यार सब लोग like कर दिया करो यार. 24 are watching and only 4 are likes. Okay, so just do guys. Okay, okay. So let's start the session. And in today, we are just going to learn something in practical about XSS. XSS means cross-site scripting. As we learned in the previous session that what is XSS, what are some type of XSS in a brief. But in today's session, we are just going to discuss about in detail and something with practical. Okay, we are not going to just learn everything is practical because I just said that today's session will be just sorted. Okay, okay, no issues. No issues, Radhavan. Okay, no issues. Just take your time. Okay, and okay, no issues. Just take your time and complete your assignments. For you guys, this week is free. Okay, you can do everything in this week. From the next week, just stay properly and complete assignments properly. Okay, okay, yeah, okay. So just let's continue to day 7. Okay, so this is a quick session agenda, which is a shorter, like recap of previous session. We have covered in yesterday's session, like what is XSS, type of XSS, some prevention, steps, methodologies, some attack surfaces of XSS, from where we can find like the website is XSS vulnerable or not. Is it clear? And second point will be our cross-site scripting, which is XSS, a basic recall, just the information, just the recall of definition of XSS. Okay, and then type explanation. We will just explain, just learn something in brief, but with example. Okay, about the type of XSS and with some practical demonstration. And the next one will be your assignments. Okay, I have also created a PDF for you guys because every day I create a document for you guys which will help you just learn something and explore something. Okay. Okay. Yeah. No issues. Muniu, we will share the Google form link again on Friday. Like tomorrow, we will share the Google form link again, and then you have to just submit the assignment for week 2. Okay. So is it clear? Then we will share a form. Then you can submit the assignment for day 4. Oh, sorry, day 5, day 6, and day 7 and day 8. Okay, like date is not there. Okay, so no issues. Okay, like date anyhow. Okay, like you have to just submit the assignments of this week. Okay, so just move with the first slide, which is XSS cross-site scripting. So in a easy language, we have to understand what is XSS. We all know cross-site scripting, but when it occurs, how we can test for it, and what are the possibilities for XSS. So just uh, take a look of this definition. It is used to execute JavaScript payloads on web application with an intention to execute those without proper input validation by the web application. Means the meaning is that to perform access, we have to use JavaScript payloads. Okay, what are JavaScript payloads? Payload or a string. We can just say in the normal format, a string like a. Let me show what is for which we can say uh, JavaScript payload. Okay, just create a new file. Okay, new tab. Okay, what is JavaScript payload? It's JavaScript in HTML in our coding. If you want to insert any script tag inside a HTML file, means we have created a index.html file and we want to implement a a script inside that page, then we have to use a script tag. Okay, so this is a script tag, and a script tag will be closed because it's a closing tag. It's a closing tag because it's a paired tag. Okay, there are two types of tag in HTML. First one is unpaired or single. Second one is paired tag. Okay, paired tag means which have the proper closing, like this one have a proper closing, means okay, this one have a proper closing, so it's a paired tag. Is that clear? So we need only this tag at this time, so we'll just discuss about this tag at this time. Okay, now it's just a script tag. How to convert it, this script tag, into a JavaScript payload? Okay, so to create a JavaScript payload, just write alert. Alert is a function. which allows in JavaScript to send a pop-up in a web application. Is it clear? Alert is used to send a pop-up in a web application. Okay, in website, if you see any of the pop-up which is coming by web browser, so it's by using alert. Okay, without using any JavaScript function in a website, in a web page, we cannot show any type of pop-up. Okay, and pop-up are basically two types. Like if we want to go to discuss, like first of all, we can show pop-up using this alert function. And next one, we can use a show toast function, which is a function in JavaScript. Okay, it's also a function, so we can use both. Okay, but this function is mainly used to create a payloads. Okay, this is also function in JavaScript to just show pop-up. Okay, pop-up or notifications, like okay, alert notification. But alert is a fixed attribute which is used to create a pop-up in a web application. So we just use alert, and we can use one here what we want to represent in a what we want to show in a pop-up. Okay, like if this will be executed in any website, then in the pop-up there will be only one keyword, which is one. Like if I want to show the name. Okay, just I'm just showing you, just I'm not testing. Okay, I'm not going to test live in anything. I'm just showing you. Okay, just wait, I think the browser is not open. Okay, so just let me open the browser, and I will just let you know how it works, how it show the pop-up, and how the characters will shown in the pop-up. Okay, we will just learn each and everything step by step. Okay, so just open any website to just test this normal thing. Okay, I just open the deltawaresolution.com. It's our own website. Yeah, a script that can be executed to cause potentially harm. Okay, because the XSS, where you listen the name of XSS, cross-site scripting, just store a thing in your mind that XSS is not possible in a web application if there is no any JavaScript code. Means if you want to find the XSS in the website, then just discover about it, that is the JavaScript used in this website or not. Okay, what is the use of JavaScript in a web application? Like if I want to make any calculation, if I want to fetch the data from anywhere, if I want to send the data from like in this website, in the Deltaware Solution website, there is a contact us piece. Okay, and by using this, we can send our data to a database. Okay, so here either we can use backend or we can use JavaScript. But if this functionality is there, then must there is a must JavaScript use. Okay, so we can just input anything, and it will just okay. So I think there may be in issues. Okay, okay. I think do each one. Okay, I think there is something issue with in backend. Okay, no issues. Just leave it. Okay, I'm just showing you this like okay. Okay, no issue. Just leave it. Means the if the form is there, then to submit this form, the Java script is used. Okay, because if I want to send this information to WhatsApp number, then the JavaScript used. If I want to say this in a database, then JavaScript is used. Means if there is any form, login form, anything, then you can ensure that there is a JavaScript in this code. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Okay. So just open the console. Okay, just write alert one. So this is a pop-up. This is a alert pop-up. This is a JavaScript alert pop-up. Okay, so it's showing one. My aim was that to show you that how it will show on the browser pop-up. Okay, so I have just used alert and one. So it's showing us one in the pop-up. Okay, like just one more time. It's showing just only one. Okay. And but what if I want to show something else in the pop-up? Like if I have done a stored XSS, if I found a stored XSS in a website, what's happening on? Okay, just wait, guys. I think, just wait for a while, guys. Okay. Okay. So it's just what I call. Okay. So that's why I have just used this one. Okay. So हम कहाँ थे? हाँ, ठीक है. So like it's showing there's only one. What if I want to show something? I want to show my name. Okay, like if I have found a stored accesses in any website and I want to show my name in a pop-up when any user open a website in a stored accesses. Like if I found a stored accesses, in first case is that if I found a stored accesses, stored accesses in any website, then what is the case? What is the scenario? What will be there? So, uh, one more question to you guys. Like, okay, one more question to you guys. Like, what is the reflection of stored accesses? What is the impact of stored accesses? Where data is saved? Like, if I have run this query, okay, so where it will be saved? Just recalling in stored accesses, it will saved in database, saved in database, and it will be recalled automatically when user open a website. Is it clear? Like if there is XSS stored XSS in a website and I have just exploited, then the exploit will saved in the database and it will automatically run when a user will open a website because it's stored in database. Is that clear? Like stored XSS always stored in the database. Okay? Yes, yes, that is the data store is stored in the database. Yes. Okay, yeah, that is good. Yes, it will automatically run. There is no need to push or anything. It will automatically run recall things. Okay, like that. How will it will recall like in the database? Like when I'm opening this website. So like okay, just reload this. So this is happening. Welcome to the Moon Institute. From here it's coming. From here it's loading. It's loading from database because the data is saved in the database. We have stored these things in the database. Like from here this pop-up is showing because it's stored in database and it's fixed that when user load a website then just show a pop-up. Okay, is that clear? Like the things stored in a database will automatically load, automatically show the user when they just reload the website or when they open the website. Is that clear? Okay. And here, if I this is a normal thing. This will show only one. Okay. If I just want to show my name or anything else, so the same script tag will use as this. Use single quote, and just Write your name or anything. I'm just writing Deltaware. Okay. So what is this called? What is this thing called? What we can say to this thing inside a bracket, including this bracket, what we can see say to this thing? Anyone? It will call a prompt. Prompt. It will called as prompt value or a string value inside, or a string value inside single quote. Okay, single quotes. Is that clear? Yeah, we will just discuss one by one. Okay, first store, reflected, then DOM based. We will cover all these three SSS types today. Okay, no, just wait, just chill. We will discuss each and everything. Okay, okay, Nitish. Yeah. Okay. So just use this one thing, alert, and this use this. Okay, just try what's happening. So here I can show anything. It's visible. Like I think it cannot be zoom out like that. Okay, okay. So hope it's visible to you guys. Like Deltaware. Okay. One more thing. Can we write anything else to here? Anything in this message? Just type it again. So I'm just writing Deltaware solution found XSS found XSS in your website. Now just press the enter. Yeah, that is we can show anything else from here. Okay, so the main thing is that if you are just going to test in any website, it's just a simple thing using console. It's not a way to find XSS in a website. I'm just showing you an example how it will be shown. Okay, it's not. This is not a way to find XSS from console. Okay, okay, that is it. I'm just showing you an example because if we will found any vulnerability in a website. Okay, like okay, there's no any thing because if you use labs, so doesn't matter. You already have practice in the labs. Okay, okay. So because if you want to just go to lab, so doesn't matter because it doesn't mean because you have already practiced on lab. So we will found vulnerable website. We will find or we will create a vulnerability in a website. Then we will research on it. I'm just showing you that how it will be shown. What you have to do when you find a vulnerability in any website. The concept is clear. You just have to use these commands or payloads. Okay, is that clear? Like if you found any vulnerability in any website, then you have to just use one thing. If you found stored accesses using some steps, including the list, I have prepared a list, including the steps. So how to find from what are the places where you found stored accesses, what are the places where you found where you can find reflected accesses, what are the places, what are the surfaces where you find DOM based accesses. Is it clear? I have prepared each and everything. I will share the PDF with you. Okay, I'm just showing the example. Deltaware Solution found accesses in your website. So here you just have to put your name, like you have found this vulnerability in like this website, okay, and please contact or email for this and this and this. You can use anything, okay. So just mention this thing, or like you just have to mention these things. So the thing will be stored in the database, and whenever any user will open the website, then this will be shown. Is that clear? How to perform stored XSS? Is it clear? Okay. So just see some theory in the PPT because I have prepared a PPT, bro. So just have a look. Okay. Okay. So used to execute JavaScript payloads on a web application with an intention to execute those without proper input validation. The thing is that when XSS will be executed, XSS will be executed only when there will be a validation issue in a web application. Like I'm just showing you an example of one thing. Like here on the in the contact section, contact us section. What do you think? If there is a phone number section, then there will be a validation that user can only input 10 digits. Am I clear? Am I right? Only 10 digits should be allowed in a uh, contact number section. Okay. Just see how many digits can we insert. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21. That is it. We can just use. This is a validation error. Is it? Is this a validation error or not? So this is a kind of validation error. So if this type of vulnerability in any website, then maybe it can be found. But it's a number. It's just a contact number. So we cannot use this payload here. Okay, because it's not working. Still, it's not working. Okay, maybe there will be some issue in the database. Okay, and yeah, if we will use the script tag, so it will not use. Like if we'll just copy this one tag, okay, this one thing, and we'll just paste here. No, invalid phone number, because here only allowed integer values. But what we are inputting? Some characters, some strings, some a command, a payload line, some text, some attributes. So it will not allow. So what we have to do? We have to create payloads using format of a contact number, using collection of combination of integer numbers. We have to create a payload using integers. So it can be worked in this. Okay. Now check this email section. Like just delete it. Check that in email there is a validation that at the rate is must in any email field. Video is stuck. Screen is visible, guys. And is video stuck? I think Anamika, is there any issue in stream? Guys, is there any issue in stream, or is it's fine? So we have to continue. Okay, okay, that is good. Okay, so it was that if we just use this one, so it will not work because there is an integer values. Okay, but in this field, when the things is that we have to write your email. So just think, there is a validation that in every email input field there must a at the rate symbol, which is this. Oh, sorry, which is this. This is a must, and this symbol must be in a email field. But try using without this. Is this? No, there is a proper validation, invalid email address. So what we have to do? We have to create a payload. Just bro, find a solution. How can you create a payload? Just create a payload using at the rate symbols. Just check that it's just accepting a valid email or not, or just is finding the at the rate symbol. I'm just finding Anu's at the rate 888. Is it working or not? Just you have to try. Okay, but we can't try because there is something validation, something error in the database. Okay, so it's not getting. So the error is solved. I have used Anu's at the rate. The error is still there, but I have used character. Error is solved. So we have to create a payload using a character, a special character, and one integer. It is must in a email input field validation to create a payload. So thing is that to for email validation bypass, we have to create a payload using three things. What are three things? First one is one character. Char, we can just use short form. One char, which is anything like A or B or C, anything else. Okay. Second one thing is we have to use special character. Okay, just see that any special character is allowed here. If you just hash, no, only at the rate is allowed here. So at the rate special symbol. Okay, at the rate symbol. Okay, now third one thing is that integer, int value. Okay, is it clear? Three things are only required, that a at the rate 7. If there is this value in our payload, then it will be just executed. This is not a payload, but we are just trying, like, if there are these things at the rate, oh, it's not working because there are these tags which are not allowed. You understand? These are not allowed. Also, this brackets are not allowed. These are not allowed. This is a validation. Now it's working. These are all validations set up in the JavaScript. So we have to check all the possibilities of validation cracks. We have to check that in how way we can just bypass this validation. Is that clear? Okay, that is good. Okay, so hope this is clear. Is this clear? How can you execute your XSS payload in email addresses? Your payload must have these characters, these three things, and no other special character. Only one special character must be there, which is a at the rate symbol. No any other character is accepted in a email input field. Either you can use anything else. As just use anything else and use at the rate and use this. It is working. Okay, so you can try. We will learn everything how to create email payloads, payload XSS payload for email field, XSS payload for phone number. Like it's a difficult to create a XSS payload for a contact number because it's an integer format, but doesn't matter. Okay, because we cannot create a payload for phone input validation. Okay, it's a very difficult. It's a near to impossible. Okay, we can use this thing in message box. It will be run. Okay, so these are some validation fields from where you can use these payloads. Now comes the slide and proper input validation. You understand these things? What is the proper input validation? No any restriction about, like restriction about any other things rather than expected. Okay, सो मीन्स जो जो चीज एक्सेप्टेड है वही सिर्फ डेटाबेस में जाएंगी और कोई चीज नहीं जाएगी. अगर हमने सेट कर रखा है कि डेटाबेस में सिर्फ एबीसीडी जाएगा तो एबीसीडी ही जाएगा. हम बी ए सी डी नहीं डाल सकते हैं, ना कि 1 2 3 डाल सकते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? ओके. Type of XSS. There are only three type of XSS. We have discussed stored XSS already, but we will just have a look another time. Second one is reflected XSS. Third one is DOM-based XSS. So just have a look in detail about it. First one is stored XSS. Yes, you can put script tag in your name system. Okay, here you can also put the script tag. There is no any error because full name or name input field allow you to input character in this field. So these are the character inside a character. Like what are some validation? If in validation the thing is int, so it will only allow, like if from backend or from JS, if this thing is there, this keyword is there, so it will only allow integer value 1, 2, like that. Okay. If the thing is that float is an integer, float is a keyword, so it will also allow 1.5 comma 2.4 like that values. It can allow point values if there is any float variable in backend or in JS. Is it clear? Now, third one, character. If this one is there, so it allows us to input anything, input anything. Is it clear? We can input anything like A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, anything else. 1.2, at the rate, hash, anything else we can use. Okay. So that's why we can use in any input field. There is full name, we can use payload. Your message, we can use payload. Okay, is that clear? Okay, so that is good. Is there any doubt till now to anyone? Then you can just ask me. Okay. Okay, so just have a definition of stored XSS. A beautiful definition of stored XSS is that stored XSS is a vulnerability where malicious scripts is stored on a server or database. Okay, as we discussed, stored XSS data are stored in database and executed whenever a user accesses the affected page. We have discussed. I think we have right here. Like, no, we have not right here. Okay, no matter. Okay, so it will just recall when any user open it. Okay, is it clear? If there is any stored accesses, as the pop-up, we have discussed the pop-up in the Moon Institute website. Here we have discussed like from where this pop-up is coming. Okay, this was the same like stored accesses. You can just imagine like it's a stored XSS or a pop-up, like it's showing. Okay, like if when you open it in again another tab because it's also a validation. Like we have just opened this website in another tab, another time, then it's showing the pop-up. Just try to refresh it. It will know. There will be no any pop-up to show because there is validation in JS. Like, if user just reload the website, then don't show the pop-up. If user just change the tab, then show the pop-up. Then pop-up will be displayed to your user. Is it clear? Hope is it clear. Okay. So are you enjoying guys these things? Okay. So not get bored. Okay. Just enjoy these things. That's why I'm just letting you know these all these things, some interesting things, and using some interesting words or things in the mid. Okay. Yeah, sure, you can ask Taran. Sure, you can ask anything at any time. There may be something late to reply or anything. Okay, but you will get a response. Okay. Okay. So the next thing is that just follow the next steps and execute a whenever user accesses the affected page. Is it clear? Hope is it clear? मीन्स स्टोर्ड एक्सेस में क्या होता है कि जब कोई भी अटैकर किसी भी वेबसाइट में स्टोर्ड एक्सेस फाइंड करता है और उसको एक्सप्लॉइट कर देता है देन वो डेटाबेस में स्टोर हो जाती है इट विल स्टोर ऑन डेटाबेस एंड ये एग्जीक्यूट होती है या रन होती है या रिकॉल होती है जब कोई भी यूजर उस अफेक्टेड पेज को मीन्स जिस वेबसाइट पर एक्सेस फाइंड हुआ है, कोई भी यूजर अगर उस वेबसाइट को ओपन करता है तो उसे वो शो होता है एज ए पॉपअप. ओके, इन एक्सेस केवल पॉपअप शो होगा. इफ देयर इज एन vulnerability, then only there will be a thing that can be identified the pop-up. If there is any XSS, it will show you pop-up. Otherwise, there will be no any pop-up in any type of XSS. That is clear? Okay. What are the steps of to find stored XSS or to exploit stored XSS? A flow of stored XSS, how it performed, how you can identify. Like if you are a security researcher, not a security researcher, just you have a client and just he give you a project that there is an stored access and you have to just improve it. You have to identify that is there any stored access exploited or not. How can you identify? Some steps are there. Attacker in the flow of XSS we are just discussing. Attacker injects XSS payloads through input phase. Like that, like that. There is an enroll form. Okay. There are some fields. Here we can just put our payload. Is it clear? We can put our payload here. Just everyone let me know, is the brute forcing are allowed in this form? Like we can send multiple requests automated using in this enrollment form. Is this possible? If you just brute force and send, I want to send 500 enrollment requests to the database. So is it possible in this form? Anyone? In this form, can we automate or send automated 500 enrollment requests using brute force? Is this possible? Let me know, guys. Is it possible to send automated enrollment requests using this form or not? And if not, then why? Is it possible to send automated enrollment requests to this form? Anyone? Really quick, quick, quick. We have to move forward quick. I think no. Okay, Aniket. Okay, yes, it's possible. Okay, okay. Oh my gosh, sure, it's possible. Okay. And what about other students? Just quick, quick. Respond quick, quickly. Yes, we have to just finish the session. Yes. Aniket, you have just find something. Let other students pin the response. Everyone, just let us know. Is this possible or not? Just see this form again. I'm just zooming out the screen. Just see this form. See the things. It can be done or not. See this form and answer carefully. Just respond. Just give your response. Then we will just move forward. Anyone else? Are you guys active in the session? Okay. Malaika, you are saying that it can be done. Okay. Have you just see this one thing to select a course? Have you seen these things? Automate process will not select this process. Select this one thing. It cannot select these things. Okay. And one more thing. If by chance automation is very strong and you have done multiple things that you have understood, जैसे आपने समझा दिया उसको कि नहीं भैया ये करना ही है, पहली बात तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं है, it's not possible, but sometimes in the rare case if it's possible, then some validation will be in the back end, like yes, yes. Now you got it. Yes. Yes. Okay. So now most of the students got these things because of if there is any selection field in a form, no any automated process is possible. One thing more, the moon is I'm just opening this one side and just showing you one thing in the registration. There is no any automation possible because photo is not required, but first time is required. It can be filled using automation process. It can be generated automated. Mobile number can be generated automated. Class can be generated automated, but board cannot be selected by automated process. Father name can be written, but gender cannot be selected. The school name can be written, but DOB cannot be selected. Caste can be written, but Aadhaar number also can be written. Full address can be written. Course interest can be written. Message can be written. But here, like if you will not choose a gender and DOB, then board is required. So you have to choose a board. Okay, is it clear? Yes, yes. That's why I have told you. Like मैंने आप सबसे कहा था एक बार इसको कायदे से देखो. मैंने जूम आउट करा था. इसको आप एक बार गौर से देखो. ठीक है वो जैसे है ना देखो इसको गौर से देखो वैसा ही मैंने बोला कि आप इसको गौर से देखो देखो मुझको गौर से देखो ठीक है तो वैसे ही इसको ध्यान से देखना चाहिए था कि देयर इज अ सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस सिलेक्शन फील्ड ओके सो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल ओके so this is a part of an interview question okay just remember these are little punchy things okay now what are these things ingest payload through input field. Is it clear? Script saved to the database. Whenever any user opens the website, the script will run automatically. Okay. So this is the example we have done already, but we will just perform in the website when we just find a vulnerable website. Okay. We can just alert stored XSS and this, so it will show you a thing like that. Okay. I'm just letting you know using console how it will show. We have just discussed this one thing. We have discussed stored exercise. Okay. Okay. You can try, but I think it's near to impossible. I'm not saying that it's completely impossible, but it's near to impossible. You can try. Nothing is like if you try, nothing is impossible. Just research something. Okay. Still, many students have not just hit the like button. Just hit the like button, bro. Okay. Okay, just move it. Okay, just leave it and just move to further. Just like, bro. Okay. And the results are affect multiple users automatically. We do not have to do anything. If you have just performed extra exercise in a website, we do not have to do anything. Just it will run automatically, bro. We do not have to do anything. Next one is reflected XSS. What is reflected XSS? Reflected XSS is a vulnerability where malicious script is reflected immediately in the server. response without being stored. Means I want to say this example you. Okay. First step, just understand the steps. Attacker create malicious link, open user that links, user open that links, server, sorry, is spelling mistake. Server reflect that input into response. The script get executed and this. So example of this one is this script. Okay. So just copy this script. Don't try to write because too long. So just copy this script. We just have to do copy this one request. Okay, just copy this whole request. Copy this request. Go to your browser. Come here and wait. Why do write? Just if we have option to copy paste. What a pen. Okay. In the place of just site, I can use Deltaware Solution. And a student has found a vulnerability in our website that was called admin panel of intern offer later. The student is there in the class. The student is in the class. I don't remember the name of the student. And in the morning, he just text me, sir, I found all the data, all the interns. If the student is there, if you are there, just raise your hand or just type yes. Aniket, you have found now, right? What was the impact? Like, I'm still not able to open the website. Can you confirm? Are you there? The student who has find the, just let me know. Just in the morning, just text me that, sir, there is an issue and I got this. Hey, oh, I don't know. मतलब मुझे नाम ध्यान नहीं है. ओके अनिकेत ओके अनिकेत तो आपने ट्राई करा ठीक है उसके बाद क्या हुआ ठीक है आपने ट्राई करा होगा उसके बाद आई थिंक आपने कहा बोला सर आई हैव input some intern's name and I can delete but there is a by default functionalities if you I'm also saying just one thing since morning because this was thing about because I just have added one thing if anyone else is using this website, this particular domain, if trying to using this domain, then just terminate the piece. And so this phase. So this is also validation. This is a kind of JS. Okay. So don't need to just you have find something because there was no any admin login page. Okay. No issues. Okay, that's good. Okay, I appreciate your search because no one has texted me that sir I found this one. I think you have tested. I have provided this one domain trustpoint.in to search about this, but no one has tested. I think you have tested. आपने टेस्ट किया and मुझे inform किया. That is good. Means आप practice कर रहे हो. Okay, good. Just keep learning. Okay. So about this URL, we have just used forward for XSS, you can exploit using buff. Also, we will learn like it's a manual process. We can use automated process. Okay, but just let you know, a student calls me the day before tomorrow. That sir, I do only manual testing. That he told me that sir, just let me give you a chance to work in your company because I don't just focus on automated scanning. वो बोला सर मैं लाइक ऑटोमेटिक स्कैनिंग में बिलीव ही नहीं करता हूँ मैं टोटली मैनुअल टेस्टिंग करता हूँ पेन टेस्टिंग जो होती है बोला मैं टूल्स का एक भी यूज ही नहीं करता ऑटोमेशन जो होते हैं मैं सिर्फ मैनुअल टूल्स की मैनुअल टेस्टिंग करता हूँ एक बंदा जो ऑटोमेटेड कर ही नहीं रहा क्योंकि वो कहता है सर मैंने ये देखा है कि ऑटोमेशन जो होते हैं बहुत फास्ट पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स देते हैं, और एआई के जमाने में तो और ही देते हैं. In the era of AI, automations are giving by default false values. Okay, so is it clear? How can we use reflected accesses? What type of things AI board can do? In the Just let me know. Okay, reflected accesses is clear. Reflected accesses in the site, you have to use this parameter and just type your test. If there will be a reflected XSS in the Deltaware solution, then it will show you the pop-up, but there is no any pop-up, so means there is no any stored XSS, like there is no any reflected XSS, because reflected XSS will never store in database, it's only execute at the same time on the browser. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? Reflected XSS is clear. Manual testing of reflected XSS in a website. Is it clear to anyone? Everyone is clear? Let me know, then we can just move further. Okay. Okay. So requires user interaction. Just click link. That is fine. Okay. User open the link. Server redact into the response. Okay. I'm just letting you know one thing. Maybe let me open my browser one more time, and I will show you something. No, I think what is the name? Okay, Joe scripts. Okay, just let me show you one thing. In the future, I'm just in my opinion, as I have experienced something. In my opinion, just let me put my notepad. In my opinion, now the AI is growing. AI is continuously growing. Web development is continuously decreasing. Okay, सो क्या मुझे आप बता सकते हो कि अगर एआई इंक्रीज हो रहा है तो उससे नुकसान होगा, क्राइम बढ़ेगा, डेटा थेफ्ट होगा या नहीं होगा? आप मुझे सिर्फ ये बताओ. If AI will be increased, then there will be any data theft, there will be any securities misconfiguration, securities issue in future or not? Then I will show you I will let you know the work of cyber security experts, ethical hackers. Okay. इन फ्यूचर मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, सिर्फ चार चीजें जो मैंने एनालाइज की, जो मेन चार चीजें हैं, जो फोर थिंग्स आर देयर इन फ्यूचर. फर्स्ट वन, एआई विच इज नाउ ग्रोइंग. सेकेंड वन, क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग. थर्ड वन इज डेटा साइंस. Data science, including, I'm not saying that including, I'm just including some things like DSA things. Okay, analytics is also in this. Okay, and like related to data science things. Fourth one is cyber security. Cyber security. Okay, yes, you are right. What will be there? AI बढ़ेगा, AI will increase, AI will help users to make their life easy. It's working now. Already it's working. It helping users to create to make their life easy, daily life easy, to creating tasks. I also use AI, bro, but it doesn't matter. Everyone use AI. Everyone uses AI. Everyone depend on the AI. If for a single day or Chat GPT is just going down, it's not working. Gemini goes down. People will going to be mad because no one is there in today's era which is not using chat gpt daily, not using gemini daily. Are you guys anyone who is not using chat gpt or gemini daily? Is there anyone? Is there anyone who is not using gemini or chat gpt or any type of ai daily? Okay, so ai is increasing, uh, data sets will be increasing also. So in future, user, organization, big organization are required cloud storage so that the scope of cloud computing is in future. Data science, they have to analyze the data. Is to just like analyze the data and some data activity perform active some another activities which are related to data science. Okay, so the data science is related, data analytics is related to analysis the data. Cyber security is related to save the data, to secure the data. Because if the data is not secure, then what is the meaning of storing, analyzing, creating, generating? What is the use? Nothing. Nothing is without cyber security. Okay, four things. Four things are future. I'm not saying that only this. There will be a part of AI, like agentic AI, prompt engineering. There are many things inside AI. There are many things inside cloud computing. There are many things inside cyber security, like digital forensic, anything else. There are many things inside data science, DSA, analytics. There are many things. I'm not saying that, but these platforms, these domains are being growing. Okay, so these are something. So don't think that cybersecurity will go down, bro, because it will be increase accordingly the AI. दोनों साथ साथ ग्रो होंगे. अगर इधर एआई एक कदम बढ़ रहा है, साइबर सिक्योरिटी दो कदम आगे रहेगा. क्योंकि अगर आज यहाँ पर एक अटैक होता है, साइबर अटैक होता है, then cyber security professional have to protect it. Okay, everyone use AI. Everyone use AI. Just saying, like in today's era, AI is like social media. Like general people which are depend on social media, just scroll down. Okay, we are addicted to the AI. Like we are addicted to the chat gpt. Like if there is any question, if you are just taking an exam, just copy this question, paste on chat gpt, paste on gemini, it will just solve. Okay, so we are just addicted to the ai. Okay, so ai is dangerous, but sometimes it helps. AI is not bad, but AI is not also good. It depend on use, how you use that. Like ethical hacking is not good. Hacking is not bad. It's depend upon use, how you use. If you use hacking unethically, it's bad. If you use hacking ethically, it's good. It's useful. Okay. Yeah. For a platform like THM and STB, you have to perform. You have to just solve labs because these are very important things to improve your skills, to improve your practical skills. Okay, because if you find like I'm not saying that you have not to try in like website, but you have to try. But before trying into a live website, you just have to do some demo or like dummy website. You have to test on dummy website, which are provided by THM and STB. Some machines, vulnerable machines, DVWA, like many things. Sports figure lab, TH, like test one lab, one hub. You have to try anything else. Okay. Yeah, it's site, SITE. I know, Surendra. There may be some spelling mistakes, brothers. Okay, sorry for it, for a spelling mistake. Okay, there may be, I think here I have written, I don't remember, but there may be uh, something, spelling mistake. Sorry for it. I think I have write the SITE here. Okay, so maybe sometimes there is uh, spelling mistakes. Okay. Okay. No issue. Reflected XSS is done. Now, come to DOM-based XSS. What is DOM-based XSS? DOM-based XSS is a vulnerability where malicious script is executed due to unsafe client-side JavaScript without server involvement. Means in DOM-based XSS, malicious script can be executed in client-side only. I will show you the one-line definition of this one also. First, see the steps. The website's JavaScript directly uses user input. The input is only properly sanitized. The script executes directly into the browser and happens only in the client side. It will be on the only in the user side, client side. It will be only shown to us, not in the server side. It will not visible to another user. Okay. So if you want just try, just use this one thing also. Sorry. ओके अभी तक सबको क्लियर है कोई इशू किसी को अगर कोई भी डाउट है इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन जस्ट आस्क टू मी ओके फॉर डोम बेस्ड एक्सरसाइज आई हैव राइट बिकॉज to save time do not just write again and again and there will be something mistake spelling mistakes होती है यार ठीक है स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स हो जाती हैं ठीक है so in the place of site just put the domain name the moon institute and dot in. Okay, just press the enter. Nothing is there. I think it's loading. There is no any things. There is no any pop up. Means it's showing nothing. What the validation is there? Validation in JavaScript is there. If this one is found, then just reload the website. Okay, means there is no any DOM-based access. Okay, if there will be any DOM-based access, then it will show you the pop up. Okay, is it clear? These are some basics only. Okay, just take a look of this assignment. Then I will show you the doc I have prepared for you guys. Assignment for day 7 is identify input field on target website, test basic XSS payload, stored reflected DOM, observe response and execution behavior. Live practice website will be shared in the group. I will share the live practice website in the group. Okay. Focus on understanding where how the input is reflected. Just you have to analyze, just you have to focus. Like if I'm doing this payload, if I'm injecting this SSL payload, then what is the output? What is the reflection? Okay. Now you just have to take a look. I have just prepared a small document for you guys. The methodology to test XSS. Okay. Okay. Just hit the like button, and if you had not subscribed, just subscribe. Okay. First one is attack surface. We have to test for XSS. As attack surface means we have discussed the previous and the same in the day before session, day session. Okay, in like day 4 and day 5, the mix of the day, we have discussed this one thing also. Okay, attack surface. What are attack surfaces? Accesses can occur anywhere user input is accepted and processed. Okay, in any user input, accesses can be occur. Common input points are there, search bars, login sign up forms, contact form. Contact form as we have discussed contact us form in Deltaware, login sign up form in like let me show you in student login. You can use this. Okay, comment sections like YouTube comments. Don't try in YouTube comment section, otherwise it will scan you. Okay, URL parameters like we have used in this URL parameters. Okay, profile update fields, chat boxes as we have used mydocon.io, file upload names, like if there is photo upload section, Okay, let me show you one thing more. You are in the Moon Institute. Just go to registration. Just choose any file instead of photo and just see is the file any file is accepted or not. So the total the listing of files is image. Just try to insert this one thing. It's inserted. Just try to fill these things. Do you guys know how to find details about a contact number? If you have used Ocean till now, then you know. I think, hope you know. Have you ever used the Ocean for finding the mobile number details? If you have any fraud, then can you find? Form submitted successfully and it not showed any error. Like we can inject any file in issue and photo section. Okay, means there is a validation error. We can upload something which is vulnerable in this website. Okay, yes, you can perform, no issues. Okay, okay, so this is okay to you. Next one in this example, input in search bar. Like if you found any search bar, try in Flipkart. Okay, let's hack the Flipkart. Okay, go to Flipkart. Yes, spelling mistake. Okay, search this. Just put it in a search bar. What happens? Nothing. Okay, showing results for script alert one slash script. What is the difference? You know, what is the validation? Have you just explain this? Yes, you can test file upload test vulnerability in this. Okay, but don't test harm thing because it's our client website. Okay, don't do these things. We just have make it vulnerable. Something leave. We have leave something vulnerable. Okay, you don't just harm this. Okay, because it's our client website. Okay, so this one thing is their script. So what we have, what they have removed, what the validation has removed. This one thing and what we have entered these things, this and this, okay, and we have used this. So the validation of the system has removed these. How it will work? It will never work. Okay, so just try with, okay, control A, control V. Try with this. No, it will never. Okay, just try with alert one. No, 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 nothing will be there. Okay, one. Okay, so that so means it will be just hide or ignore these keywords. There are some keywords which are defined in the system that to ignore. Okay, okay. So this is a PDF in which the steps are mentioned. Okay, so you can just try it. I think the lecture is as the previous days. I think just पढ़ाने like if you have जब हम क्लास लेने लगते हैं पता नहीं क्या होता है like टाइम को पता नहीं चलता है and the time is gone. Okay, and no issues. Okay, this is good. Okay, so there is a stored XSS steps, DOM-based XSS steps, how to identify reflection, very important. This is very important. Okay, advanced attack surfaces, it's a pro level, payload testing strategy, real testing flow, observation. What are common mistakes? Never testing only console, using only one payload. Never test using only one payload. Never ignore non-visible inputs. Okay, so I hope it's clear and you understand and you learn something today. Okay, we have not used any automated tool. We have not used anything, just explore something and use manual testing. Is that clear, guys? Hope you have enjoyed this class, the session. Just stay curious and keep learning and keep practice regularly with Deltaware Solution. Okay, so everything clear to go on to you guys? Okay, no issue. I think sometimes I speak in Hindi to just make a vibe. Okay, okay, no issues, guys. So class is done. Okay, so we can just end the session. I will share the PDF, PPT, everything in the group, and just complete your task. And be ready. Some Muslim student who cannot join the session tomorrow, no issues. Okay, then you can submit your assignment due to your festival. You can submit your assignment in the next Friday or in the Monday. I will share the form. Okay, but all other students just submit your assignment and be ready in tomorrow's session. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. You are welcome. Just bye bye. Good night. Just hit the like and subscribe button as the thing I'm asking to you guys. Okay, I want from you guys. Okay, so that bye bye. Good night. Have a good night.